Apparently someone in London gets stabbed every 52 seconds. Poor bastard. You're welcome.
So Jeremy's just going around today. We had to go buy a harness, by the way, so he's wearing his harness. The metal's been really slippery. It's been cold. It's been rainy. And he's going around now and just adding all the screws. We chalked the lines. So he's just adding the screws on this side. And tomorrow will probably be the next side. It's cold. Cold day. So our garage door's here. And he's dancing. He's happy. We have someone coming to install it Wednesday. There she is. Here's the other parts of it. The white chicken's basically just part of the flock now, which is wonderful. And yes, the bike is still holding the door shut. We've been so busy working on the garage, we haven't fixed their door. Hey guys. Hey everybody. Check out the mix of eggs I got. All different colors. Let's go check on the piggies. Piggies! Hi! They're getting big, eh? Hi, piggy piggies! They ripped up that whole back half of the fence. So now it's lined with pallets. Hi! You guys are big. Go run somewhere so I can see how big you are. They can appreciate it. Look at all that is you. Hey! You're a big boy. Hey, big boy.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. You look mighty cute in them jeans.
You aren't growing much, but he's very abused by the big pig. Not allowed to eat nearly as much. You're a bully. Pig. Hey, what you doing? You guys are a mess, eh? Couple of nasties.
Those nasty things.
So much smaller, eh? Piggy, piggy, piggy. Huey and his mini-me. Love it. Oh, the little pig just broke out. Darn tootin', he's so bad. Hey! No!
Well, we have been, like a lot of the week with that rain and
Yes, right.
freezing
Rain.
weather, frost, rain.
Cold weather, warm weather, like weird weather.
Yeah, all week.
A little bit of snow even one day.
But a lot of rain actually,
Yeah.
and a lot of cold. So it's been it's so because we've had to just kind of go up in intervals to bolt that up. So it's taken time.
Mm-hmm.
Finally got a good day and then banged it all off.
Yep.
I'd started it and it was taking forever. Then was able to do pretty much all of it on a good day, I guess.
Now it's
So
finally done.
it's done now, and that's good.
Oh yeah.
And now we're going to do the gables. We got the vents, so that's good. We picked up a couple of vents.
Yeah.
And we needed, because we already been doing this in 3/8 plywood, so we have more plywood.
To finish it off. But my land sakes alive, the price of plywood is insane.
It's gone. Yeah, we were talking about it before. It was already way up. Now it's up another $8 on top of what it was the last time we talked about. 2 weeks ago about it maybe?
Oh, maybe.
I was talking about it. It was 32 something, I think.
Okay, now it was 40 something per sheet.
Yeah, for one sheet. So we got
Gotcha.
8 sheets. So you can just imagine, do the math on that. It was, man, expensive. By the time we bought the plywood and the 2 gable vents, it was probably like
they weren't cheap.
$500 and some dollars.
Yeah, yep.
For that.
It was.
8 sheets of plywood and then
2
the
vents.
vents.
Over $500.
Yeah, crazy. I mean, the vents, that's just the price there anyway, I guess. They're expensive vents, that's all they had. So it's just kind of what we got to deal with when we're out here.
Yeah.
Because we were at Home Depot on one of our trips.
And we didn't get it.
And they weren't there.
Oh, they
no,
weren't
they
there?
didn't have them. I went to get it.
Oh, I thought maybe we just didn't grab them.
No, I went. Weren't there. So,
Okay.
And then another, there's only a couple hardware stores anywhere as close to us.
Yeah.
And
They only had the same
They
ones,
had the
too.
same one. So anyways, that's the ones we got. So that's no big deal. The wood's where it really added up.
Yeah.
And it just is what it is.
Crazy
So,
price.
It is what it is. So, that should be all we need anyways as far as the exterior now. So we're going to put that on. We got the vent. And then we're going to wrap it. We got the house wrap already.
Yep.
And then
We ordered the man door.
and the garage door's in there, which you seen.
Yep.
We have the window already.
The man door will be here next week.
Yeah, I don't know, somewhere like that.
So.
What I was gonna say, we got the plywood there, the gable vent. We're gonna wrap it, and then the soffit, which takes forever, right? The soffit. So that's kind of a dreadful job to think about doing, but whatever. It is what it is.
It's gonna be like 18 degrees out. Maybe we can bang it
Yeah,
off.
it's supposed to warm up this week, so we should get more done this week now that it's warming up. Hopefully, anyway. And it was Sam's actual birthday is on the 10th. That's Tuesday. Well, November 10th.
Yeah.
But we had her party on Saturday.
Yeah,
So
Saturday the 7th. We just had it, and she had a great time.
yeah, so that was awesome.
Yeah.
Had some friends out for that, so that was good. Yeah, we're gonna unload this to have it ready to go for tomorrow, because we're coming up the end of the day now. There's some stragglers left over from the party
Yeah.
still here, so we were kind of hanging out
This is the party.
today. Oh, and I went and
Night.
picked up.
Sleepover.
Yeah, so it was a good time.
Yeah, they had fun. Yes.
Then this morning I had to go pick up a side of beef because we had ordered that, a couple months ago?
Cow, yeah.
Yeah.
From local farmers, all grass fed and
Well, local, like in New Brunswick.
yeah.
It's not like down the road.
Well, I don't know, but I mean,
Local enough, about an hour away.
yeah.
All right, so we're gonna empty out this plywood here.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it inside, so we're ready to go tomorrow. It's getting near the end of the day. Like we said, we've been busy with birthday parties, picking stuff up. We're gonna show you that stuff as soon as we get the plywood out.
Yeah.
So the garage door is underneath the plywood here, right? We got a guy coming to throw this garage door in for us. Want to make sure it's done right. But I still got to throw the other header in up here. A lot of people were wondering why I only put one. Well, a few people, maybe not that many. Anyways, let you know, it's just because it makes the wall easier to lift. It's the only reason why I put one there. And then we build it back in later. I did that in the house too. It just makes it easier for me and actually lifting walls and stuff, right? So I got to pick up another 2x12. They don't have any over 12 feet at the closest place, so I'm gonna have to hunt one down somewhere else and then put it in, and then build it out with plywood too to bring it out to the thickness it's got to be. So I got to build that up anyway. by next week before he comes throws the garage door. And we have that window, so we'll put that in. And we got that on the way.
All right, we got that in there. That was easy.
Yeah, there's literally nothing.
Well, we'll head inside and show you the other couple of things that we got this week.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so here's the bear. The bear skull. Turned out real nice. You just keep it up on the mantle under the TV. Looks good. It'll lighten up even more too. And we got the bear rug slash blanket, whatever you want to call it. Bear hide all done. And it has turned out perfect. It's amazing. It's right thick. Awesome hide on it. So there it is. Turned out beautifully. Love it. Still working on the necklaces. We get them all polished up and all that stuff. And we'll let you know when we're gonna sell a few of those or anything. But we have one more thing to share with you before we get out of here. So let me get it.
So this is our new sign, and we absolutely love it. It's made on an actual piece of maple.
Live edge maple, yeah?
Yeah, live edge. It's like, what, 4 foot by 2 foot?
Yeah.
In case you can't really tell by the video, sometimes things look bigger or smaller.
Yeah.
But it's 4 foot by 2 foot, and it's real live edge maple. It's
that's
solid. It's heavy.
Same logo right there.
Yeah.
Established 2017. That's when we bought the property.
Yeah, so we didn't move here until March of 2018, but we actually bought the property in 2017, so that's why.
And brought our
it says
trailer
that.
here in
Yeah,
2017.
we did. Yeah.
When we knew we were getting into the Army.
Yeah, so we love it. And this is going to go at
There's
the
a nice-
very front gate. We're going to put this up at the front gate. It's just super heavy, so we're going to have to reinforce that fence that we built, and then we're going to stick it on there once that's all reinforced.
Yeah. We got a cool inlay here too of a leaf.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful piece of wood. They did a great job.
So it was done by Atlantic Laser Works here in New Brunswick.
Yeah.
And they did an awesome job. We're super happy with it. We love it. They're really good company. So
We'll put links down to you can go check out Atlantic Laser Works.
Yeah, they
'cause
do
we're
tons of stuff.
Super impressed with
yeah,
what they did here.
yeah.
And we'll also share us putting this up. This is just us showing you what we got because we're
Yeah.
super excited.
We love it. Yeah, we ordered it just a few weeks ago, and they did an absolutely excellent job. So
Yeah.
we're so pleased. So check them out, though. Nice company.
Yeah,
nice
we'll share
owners.
stuff.
Good
We'll share the
work.
stuff down below.
Yeah,
Right? Much as we can.
yeah.
It's awesome. All right. That's it for today, I think.
I think so.
But we got lots to do this week, so
Oh, yeah.
we
Lots.
should get a little more on the go this week.
Gonna have some nice warm weather. Got to do some more running around. So our freezer is on the fritz.
Yeah.
So we have to go buy a new one of those, and then
Well, that's right for now.
yeah. See you in the next one.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.